Hello and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. Let's learn Power BI in minutes. Left anti-join is a type of join between two tables, where the join type will return only the values of the left table which are not matching with right table. This product table is our left table which contains product ID and product name. The second table sales is our right table and contains product ID and sold quantity. Product ID is the common column in both tables. To create a left anti-join, click on the Merge Queries and select Merge Queries as New. I will select Sales Table from the drop-down for the right table. Then click on the common column Product ID from both tables. From the Join Kind drop-down, select Left Anti. I will rename my query as Left Anti. This will create a new table with the values of left table not matching with right table. By clicking on the icon near Sales, I will select Sold Quantity to be displayed a column. We have created a left anti-join between the products and sales table. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and get regular updates. Also check out other Power BI videos. Click on the videos on the screen.